In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Dotr module, which generates a dotted pattern. So I've loaded up this video, which is just something I created using Kyber AI. And if I switch on the module, you'll see it generates these dots. So the first dial we've got here is size, which changes the size of the dots. So here you can see they're very small. As I bring it up, they become bigger. And then underneath that, we've got this density dial, and this makes the dots more packed together. So if I turn it right down and I bring the density right up, you can see we've got lots of very small dots all packed together, and as I bring the density down, they're becoming more sparse. And what happens if you turn the size right up, you'll notice as you bring the density up, they start to overlap with each other, and they kind of turn to squares because the dots are now so packed in together that they're too big. They're actually filling up that entire space. So you'll notice if you turn both the size and the density right up, you start to get this kind of pixelated effect. Both of these dials have audio reactive controls, so they can change in time with your master beat control over here. They'll change randomly, and they also both have sound reactive controls. So I'll just mute this track, but if I play some audio, you can see that they are now responding to the incoming audio. Over here we've also got a vignette effect. You can see that just darkens the corners of the screen, creates this circle area of focus. And then we've got the dot color, so currently it's set to colored, so it will reflect whatever colors are underneath it. So whatever colors are in the video will be the colors of the dots. You can also make them gray or white. So if you want a black and white effect, you can choose one of those. And then at the bottom here, we've got our usual transparency controls. So turning this up will make the effect more transparent. And then we've got our blend modes here. And here we've got this T button. If you switch that on, it'll create a texture map of the effect.